Hi guys, I am talking to you today from beautiful Dungeness Spit. This is a little 5-mile piece of narrow land that's sticking out into the water, so you can see the ocean on both sides from where I'm standing. I just walked to the lighthouse. I am almost all the way back. I have wanted to do this for, I don't know, 6 or 7 years. The topic of today's discussion is hold your vision. Whatever that vision is, big or small. This is not one of those huge big visions that I had, but it is a small one and it has come true, and I'm so excited. I am so happy that I've managed to make this come true. It is one of the best days ever. I came here with a friend and we didn't walk all the way because we had come with many families. They were kids. It was not possible to do the 5-mile walk in and 5-mile back. So we just stayed at the mouth of the Spit, and I was like, I want to come back here. This is near Olympic National Park, in Washington State. Oh my God, it is so good. It is so beautiful to walk it. And today it's October 2. It is sunny. There is no wind. There are waves. It is just as perfect as it could get. Like, it could not get more perfect. The weather is perfect. So what I want to talk to you about is hold your vision. Whatever it is that you desire, whether you believe it's going to come true or not, it doesn't matter. It can be ridiculous, outrageous, $100 million, like whatever you want, right? Write it down in a notebook, not on software, although that's okay too. It is more powerful to use your hand and write it with a pen and paper. And just look through it at least once a year, once a month if you want. Look through it, read through it. It does not matter if you believe it or not. As long as you believe in yourself, that someday you will believe in yourself enough to make that belief come true, that's all you need. And then the critical moment will just happen. Like it happened for me right now to do this trip. Like, I decided I'm gonna do it. I just decided, something happened and I was like, I want to do this. So I made it happen. I looked for friends, I planned with friends, they canceled. I planned with other friends, they canceled. Then finally I planned with someone else, and that happened. We went part way together, and then I ended up going to the lighthouse on my own, and it was just perfect. It was so beautiful. Hold the vision of whatever you want, because someday you will get to the point where you're like, okay, I'm going to make it happen today. As you can see, there are people walking by. Yes, so hold the vision of whatever it is that you want to achieve. It could be anything at all. Just hold the vision of that, write it down on a piece of paper, and go through it regularly. And just know that someday you're going to get to this state where nothing else matters. You're going to make it happen. And whatever it is, big or small. If you write down all the things that you have achieved in your life so far, you will see that you've made a ton of things that you wanted happen. If you hold that list as well along with your vision, you will get more confidence, because success begets success. Wins give you more wins. Okay, that's all I have to say for today. I hope this was helpful. Enjoy your day as much as I'm enjoying mine. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.